Yeah, it will be. Can you help us out? Of course I can! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo-Bizzy, Shopkins Season 6, Fizzy! Whoa, that's a lot of Season 6 Shopkins. Yes, it is. Let's get the Shopkins party started. Yeah.
The Fizzy Toy Show.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show, and welcome to this massive Shopkins Season 6 show. We have 2 5-packs, 1 12-pack, the nice and icy fridge, and the sparkle clean washer. Let's start with the 5-pack. There's 1 Shopkin hidden in our recipe book. And guys, this is a limited season, so get them while you can. And we're always hunting for limited edition. Season 6 is a glitter utensil. Woo! Let's hope we get one. It's Timmy Tomato Paste. We can make a veggie pizza with him. It's the rare Nina Noodles. Bethany Broccoli in the house. And it's Fleur Flower. Super cool. Now let's get into our recipe book. Who do we have? Whoa, 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 I see some metallic glittery goodness. It's the ultra rare Sweets Honey. And this is the honeycomb ice cream cake. And our Chef's Club menu is Barbie breakfast muffin. Yummy. Let's check out a playset. Look at the nice and icy fridge. Oh, it looks so cool. Let's get into it. Look at this fridge, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's open it up and check out our exclusive Shopkins. This is Chalk Frost and it looks so delicious. Can you see how translucent it is on the bottom? And this is Pinky Frosting. So cute and so delicious looking. Do you guys remember the So Cool fridge? Came with all those little mini eggs. Well, look, it's 6 little ice cubes, 6 mini Shopkins, and they all have different faces. Look at them, they are so cool. Literally, they're cool, they're ice cubes. There's even more room down here to store Shopkins, and this one opens too. And look over here. It's a little pantry, so you can store even more Shopkins. This is so cool. Some tomato sauce up here, some noodles in here, and we'll close everything up because we have a recipe book to open. So what came with this playset? Well, it's a little recipe book, and it's a mystery dish. What dish is it? So check this out, guys. To reveal the online mystery dish, you have to collect and scan all 6 Shopkins from the Chef Club playsets. So we would need to scan these 2, and more from the other playsets. I think it's 12-pack time. Whoa, look at all these awesome ones. And of course, there are some hidden ones in here. Let's hope we find limited edition in here. Up first, it's Karen Carrot. Look at that little carrot. It's Herb L tea bag. Herbal tea bag. So cute. It's the rare Polly Parsley. Woohoo! And look, it's Miss Sprinkles. She has little sprinkles on top, and she's winking at you. It is Pippa Lemon. So cute. Roma Tomato in the house. It's Button Mushroom. Vanilla Tubs. So yummy. Betsy Butter. Brighty Basil. And now we have our 2 hidden Shopkins. We have the Veronica Veggie Pizza recipe. And whoa, look at this one. It's Bella Mozzarella. And I'm really hoping we get a color change one. That would be super cool. Let's see, our recipe is Freddy Fried Rice. And our Shopkin is, oh my goodness. Look at these 2. Are they supposed to be the same? I need to check the checklist. They are both Sweets Honey. They just have two different colors, which is funny because the Shopkins this season only come in one color. So that's kind of cool to have the same one with a little bit of a variation. It's our Sparkle Clean washer. Check that out. So cool. Look at this playset. I think it's so super cool. Let me show you the exclusive Shopkins first. It's Strawberry Jan and Sarah Sweethearts. Look at the little hearts on top. She's even holding a heart. These shelves up here are actually little book nooks. How cute is that? You can store all your little books up there. And speaking of books, let's see what we got in our book. It's the mystery dish. It comes with this little basket, so you can wash up your utensils and plates and then put them right here on that drying rack basket. Here's our little dishwasher. It opens right up, and you can even pull out this little drawer. Oh, that's so fun. Load it up with dishes, slide it back in, and turn that dishwasher on. These little cabinet doors open up, so you can store some Shopkins under there. And there are these pull-out drawers. Look, you can store even more Shopkins in there. So much cool storage. And if you have any trash, you can just, whoa, don't do that. If you have trash, what you can do is just, whoop, put it in there, and this is a flip-top lid. Whoa, flip that lid. 5-pack time. Let's dig in and hope we get a limited edition. Up first, we've seen this little one before. It's Miss Sprinkles. This is Strawberry Top. Look at all those delicious strawberries. This is Cane Sugar, and I think the sugar should go in the pantry. In you go, little sugar. It's Charlie Cheese. Say cheese. And we have a recipe book. Will we finally find a limited edition? Let's see. No, but we did get an ultra rare. Look how shiny. Oh, that is so cool. It's a cupcake and it's on a little plate, and look, it's teal. That is such a pretty color. This one is Cupcake Princess. What a perfect name. She even has a little tiara on. And our recipe book is Tegan Tea. That looks yummy. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite today. Mine was Cupcake Princess.
Ooh, and I just love those play sets. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.